What it do? Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so Streetways Incorporated's out here in the middle of my own hood, town, and country with a whole bunch of everybody showing mad love. I got Young G, I got Future, Get Low, I got my dog from way back, Frankie right here.
You know what I'm saying? Nigga. Envy Me, ENT, man. We definitely in the building, you hear me? Breast Cancer Awareness, shout out. Y'all already know what it is, man. TC, we been here.
Y'all already know. Shout out to everybody from the area doing music, everybody from the area doing anything positive, especially clubs for putting together the breast cancer awareness. And shout out to Flash Photography.
Man, Temple, Florida, 813. Right now, my man Clubs is doing a little event out here, Breast Awareness Month, you know what I'm saying? All the time right now, a little event. Just letting everybody know what's up with that. But besides all the small talk, I'm out here with my man G, chilling. You know what I'm saying? We really holding shit down. Coming out with an exclusive track, you know what I'm saying? Just showing love, man. We out here today, Saturday. You know what I'm saying? Just vibing, my niggas. You know what time it is, dog.
Your boy Young G, Keys on, E1 Entertainment. You know what I'm saying? I came out here to show love, breast cancer awareness. You know what I'm saying? I support everything, support everybody if you out here doing it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't Hollywood, far from Hollywood. Yeah. So you know what I'm saying? I'm out here with my peoples. These my peoples out here. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Just out here vibing out.
Jefferson High.
Yeah.